Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals, and we're going to be discussing some items that I've found for the week. These are going to be tools that are either on sale, tools that even at their full price I believe to be good deals, and tools that I find to be interesting and would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. Also, I have some special episodes of the Amazon tool deals coming out here soon on specific socket sets that you can find on Amazon, so go ahead and check those out and stay tuned for the ones that will be released here soon. So first up on today's list is the Gearwrench 1/4 inch drive 72 tooth quick release locking flex slim head ratchet. That is the longest unnecessary name. So it's a 12-inch 1/4 inch drive ratchet, part number 81030, and you can get this in a couple different lengths as well, and sometimes you can buy them as a set where you get the short ratchet, the long ratchet like this with some bits. So this basically uses a hex bit or a bit shank that then passes through and locks into this head, so you can actually push this 1/4 inch bit out, as you can see here. You can put other bits in it as well, and I do like that it is lockable as well. And then another thing you may notice is it's got like a ratchet handle down here at the base, but the midsection of the handle is actually the design of a wrench to keep it kind of slim. And then you got that standard flex head that you would see on a ratchet or a flex head wrench. So it is supposed to be slim. This is something that I've almost purchased a few times, but with the tools that I have, I can't get myself to do it, but I've wanted it for a while. Now it is 72 tooth. It's not any of their like 120 XP or their 84 tooth or their 90 tooth. It is just the standard 72 tooth, but I've heard a lot of good things about it. It's got 4.5 stars at 848 ratings. It says its list price is $44. I don't believe that. I don't think I've ever seen it sold for $44, but right now it is down to $23.30. It's something I've always been interested in, just not something that I've purchased as of yet. And then I'll quickly show you guys the short version of this as well. There you can kind of see some of the information on it if you would like to pause and read that. And then all of these tools will be linked down in the tools and tools continued link, along with many other tools that I suggest. So keep that in mind. It is down in the description for you guys. And then here is the short version of it. It's slightly different design as far as the handle. You can see here, not exactly the highest quality picture, that's for sure. There we go, that one's a little bit better. So same head design, same locking mechanism for the flex head, just the shorter handle and a little bit different handle design. But this one is at $27, down from $39, which I also don't believe this thing has ever sold for $39. Next up on the list is a Pretools product. This is the 1/4 inch drive wobble extension bar set. It's a 5-piece set, and it is at $25, down from $30, savings of 17%. This has 5 stars at 514 reviews, and you can get them in the 3 different drive sizes as well. So the 1/2 inch drive is $25.96, 1/4 inch is $25, and the 3/8 is $28, or the most expensive out of the 3. Probably the most commonly used one, but either way, heard a lot of good things about them. I have quite a bit of Capri tools, and with this 1/4 inch drive set you get a 2-inch extension, 3, 6, 10, and 14. It does have that knurling for the non-slip smart chrome finish. You get the straight when it's fully engaged. It's a straight standard extension. Partially engaged, it is a wobble extension with 15 degrees of movement all around, and it does come in a nice plastic blow molded case to keep them organized. And when it comes to the Capri tools, this is kind of like the SunX set. The plastic is durable. It's not that extremely thin, flimsy stuff. It does have some rigidity to it and will hold up over time. So I like these organizers. Anytime I can use them, I will. So I think for $25, it's a decent set. And then you can also get 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive as well. Next up is another ratchet that I've almost purchased probably 5 to 10 times over the last year. And it's just something that I want it, but like at the same time I'm like, would I really use it all that much? It could be one of those tools that as soon as I get it, I like start using it. I'm like, dang, how did I go so long without it? But I'm also afraid, I'm like, I'm gonna get it and be like, dang, why did I get this? But out of everybody I've talked to that have got their hands on it, they're happy with it. They like the design. It's nice because it can be completely folded up, and you can kind of use it as a palm ratchet, or you can fold it out for a little bit more leverage. I like the idea of it, but at the same time, like, dude, do I need it? So it's normally list priced at $38. It's down to $36.08, so a savings of 5%. It's got 4.5 stars at 10 ratings, and here's just a quick image, couple other images of it. So it is their 90-tooth design. This is the non-quick release version. The thing I do like about this is all of Tekton's flex head ratchets are semi-locking. This is the one that seems to be a non-semi-locking. It's not full lock or semi-lock. It's just free floating, so you can just kind of position it wherever you want, which is kind of nice to see. But there you can see it completely folded up. Next up, we're looking at another Tekton product. So I've mentioned in my previous videos quite a few of their screwdriver sets and their multi-bit screwdrivers. This is their stubby multi-bit screwdriver. This is a 3-in-1. So this one includes the T10 or T15, and it is part number Delta Mike Tango 13003. It has 5 stars at 93 ratings, and it's $6. The handle is made in the USA. The bits are made in Taiwan, and you can get it in both the black handle or the red handle. I absolutely love the handles, and I actually use these at work, both the larger multi-bit screwdrivers and a couple of the stubby screwdrivers like this. I've really enjoyed them. And then you can get them with different bits as well. And then if you go to the Tekton website, you can just buy the handles, or you can just buy what bits you want. It's really good pricing, and they're handy to have. It's actually kind of funny. Ever since working on the race team, I actually prefer to use a smaller handled screwdriver as much as possible, because I have more control over it. I'm closer to the fastener. Unless I have to, or I'm forced to be further away from that fastener to get good leverage on it or anything like that, or access, I'll do that. But anytime I can, I usually use a stubby screwdriver. So keep that in mind. Nice USA made product for $6 that you can get in 2 different colors and a lifetime warranty. And then last up on today's list is a product I don't have any experience with. This is the Powerbuilt 949007. It's a 70-piece SAE master socket set, and you can get this in SAE or metric. Metric is going to be quarter inch, 3/8, and half-inch drives, 6 and 12 point deep and shallow. This one's running 180 basically, and the SAE one is at 135, 7 ratings combined, so not a whole lot of ratings. I haven't seen a whole lot of these Powerbuilt. This is like their professional line, I think. If like you go to their actual Powerbuilt store, their Pretools. So it's under their Pretools section, which is something that I never even knew they had. But it's basically a lineup of EVA foam organized tools. And so these aren't going to be, absolutely top of the line stuff, but they're going to be decent quality sockets in a nice organizer. And Powerbuilt is a brand that I've used before, but I know a lot of people that like organization like this. So if you're one of those looking for a decent quality set of tools in a already well organized layout, this is a good thing to look at. They have a lot of different varieties, so just keep that in mind. And then they share the dimensions and everything with you. 12 point, 6 point, chrome vanadium, laser cut EVA. They have all the size markings for identification and everything. So definitely a nice little layout, something I just came across and figured I'd add in here. And if you guys have used these sets, or just the Powerbuilt sockets in general, because I'm pretty sure they're going to be the same as this, let me know your guys' experience with them. Like I said, I've used Powerbuilt tools before, but not specifically this set, so I don't want to say that this is the exact same as what I've used, because it's not guaranteed. My experience, especially as a DIYer, weekend warrior, I've had no issue with Powerbuilt whatsoever, at least that I can remember. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, if you guys have any input on any of these tools, please feel free to drop it down in the comments. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. See you guys next time.